Alright, in this e-learning quick tips video, we're going to take a look at a quick way to fill in zeros in the Canvas gradebook. I have a gradebook here pulled up, and there are a lot of blanks because of the way that this type of assignment, these external tools end up in here. They don't automatically fill in with zeros, no matter what I do in my gradebook settings. So I want to fill these zeros in. I could do that manually. That's a pain. I could also come in here and choose for any assignment from the 3-dot drop-down menu. I could set a default grade and fill that in as zeros for, if I leave this unchecked, any students who don't already have a score. And I could do that, and that's the way we typically do that per assignment. But if I wanted to do that for a lot of assignments all at once, a trick I can use is actually take this gradebook out to Excel and do it there. So I'm going to export. I'll just do the current gradebook, just these assignments you see. It'll give you a CSV file. You could edit that in Excel, which I'm going to do here. And I've hidden the student information, and I just want to do these columns. Wherever there's blanks in here, I'm going to select the region that I want to fill in blanks as zeros. And then what I'm going to do is press Control H or Command H, depending on your machine, to bring up this Find and Replace window. I want to, anything that's blank, which is just type nothing, I want to replace it with a 0. And then I'm going to match the entire cell contents, just in case it interprets a blank as part of any of these other cells or anything. I'm going to hit Replace All, and you'll see where these blanks are, they will get replaced with these zeros. It'll tell me how many occurrences, and then I can go ahead and close out. I'm going to save this file and re-upload that to Canvas. So now back in Canvas, I'm just going to import that file. Choose that file here. Open it up and click Upload Data. Once that loads, it'll ask me if I want to make any changes. And then it always seems to do this. That info is in the Canvas gradebook, but it hasn't loaded in here. So sometimes I do have to come up and reload the page. So once it's had enough time, then all of those will be displayed as the actual zeros that I filled in. So what we did there was we exported the gradebook, went to Excel, used Command H or Control H to allow us to replace all those blanks with zeros, and then re-imported back to Canvas. So that's how you can replace a lot of blanks in a Canvas gradebook very quickly using Excel. This has been Quick Tips with eLearning.